If you're building a powerful PC in 2025, choosing the right case is just as important as the components inside. From sleek designs to top-tier airflow and cooling, we've rounded up the top 5 best PC cases that combine style, performance, and innovation. Let's dive in. 5 best PC cases. At number 5, ZZAW C2C2P M-ATX computer case. The enhanced architecture mini chassis offers a compact yet powerful design, perfect for desktop setups. Crafted from 1.5mm aluminum magnesium alloy with 3.0mm tempered glass, it provides durability and style in a sleek silver or white finish. Supporting M-ATX motherboards and ATX power supplies, this 13.8L chassis efficiently accommodates high-performance components, including a 323mm GPU and 136mm CPU tower cooler. With a natural vertical air duct, large heat dissipation holes, and support for 6 cooling fans, it ensures optimal airflow and temperature control for high-performance builds. Designed for efficiency and versatility, this lightweight 1.7 kg case is ideal for those seeking high compatibility in a compact form factor. At number 4, P60 M-ATX Portable Computer Case. The P60 desktop handle case combines portability and durability with its thickened aluminum alloy build and comfortable grip handle, making it easy to carry. Featuring a Type-C interface, it supports fast 10 Gbps data transfer, 10 OS power delivery, and bidirectional transmission for seamless connectivity. The top heat dissipation design with fine ventilation holes ensures efficient cooling, while the tempered glass side panel offers a sturdy and stylish look. With support for micro-ATX and mini-ATX motherboards, 350mm GPU clearance, and multiple drive bays, it's a compact yet powerful choice for a modern desktop setup. At number 3, Jonsbo D32STD Pro Mini Desktop Case. The Jonsbo D32STD is a compact yet powerful micro-ATX chassis designed for modern hardware compatibility while maintaining a sleek and practical design. Supporting mini-ATX and micro-ATX motherboards, including back-connect designs, it offers efficient cooling with 240mm radiator support and high-performance twin-tower air coolers up to 184mm. With GPU clearance up to 365mm, multiple PSU compatibility options, and a well-balanced size, it delivers versatility for high-performance builds in a compact form factor. The SPCC steel construction, USB 3.2 Gen to Type-C, and optimized internal layout make it a solid choice for users seeking power, efficiency, and modern compatibility in a small desktop setup. At number 2, Jonsbo Z20 Portable Computer Case. The Z20 chassis is a compact yet powerful case designed for mini-ATX and micro-ATX builds, offering a 2L volume without compromising compatibility. With support for GPUs up to 363mm, SFX, SFX LPSUS, and high-performance cooling, it handles both air and liquid cooling setups, including 240mm IOS or 160mm air coolers. The sturdy SPCC steel frame, tempered glass side panel, and integrated handle ensure durability and portability, making it an excellent choice for compact yet high-performance PC builds. With USB 3.2 Gen to Type-C support, optimized internal layout, and a flexible installation design, the Z20 is perfect for enthusiasts who want power in a small footprint. At number 1, Jonsbo N5 NAS Desktop Case. The N5 chassis is a high-performance case designed for NAS storage and GPU computing, featuring a dual-compartment layout for optimal airflow and hardware organization. With support for ITX to ATX motherboards and 8 expansion slots, it accommodates full-height GPUs and powerful cooling solutions, including 240mm, 280mm IOS and 160mm air coolers. The 12-bay hot-swappable HDD setup ensures massive storage capacity, making it ideal for creators and professionals handling large data workloads. A wood-accented front panel enhances aesthetics while ensuring proper ventilation, and the USB 3.2 Gen to Type-C port enables high-speed data transfers.